Hi all. In this video, I am going to explain how to find the right capacity for your solar panel implementation at your home. In order to do this, you just need to have your KSCB bill. KSCB stands for Kerala State Electricity Board, but it doesn't matter wherever you are, you can take your electricity bill and upload it. And then you can prompt, this is my electricity bill and I am planning to buy a solar panel. What is the capacity I should buy? So ChatGPT will analyze the electricity bill and provide his recommendation. So as you can see here, the recommended capacity is 3 kilowatt rooftop solar. So 2 kilowatt is okay, but it is slightly tight. So this will be the right practical choice. Okay, so it is very simple. As you can see, within 1 minute, you're able to identify what is the capacity that you require. Determining the ideal capacity helps you to reduce your initial investment and maximizing the efficiency.